Hi everyone, welcome back to my channel. I hope you are all doing really well. I'm going to show you August Glossybox in this video. It is literally just arrived through the door. I haven't looked at it properly and I'm really excited because this is the 10-year anniversary of Glossybox. So it is a special box. It is in this limited edition style box and I know that it has got over £75 worth of products in it. I have got a discount code down below for some money off your first box. If you haven't heard of Glossybox before, it is a beauty subscription box that you can have every single month or just as and when you want it, and it contains always over £50 worth of beauty products or, you know, skincare, makeup brushes, little treats. It's a really good one for me. Some boxes are definitely better than others, but it has enabled me to try a lot of products that I would never have bought and some of them that I would just never not use now. So I love it because it's just a little gift every month. And this, how many weeks into the summer holidays are we now? A couple of weeks in. This has just come at a right time. It's a little gift to me. I will just say that I work with Glossybox, so this has been very kindly gifted to me so that I can show you all what is inside and obviously share my discount code as well. But we will get straight into it and I will show you what is in August's Glossybox. So like I say, there are £75 worth of products in this box, which is just incredible. Got all your leaflets as normal that just let you know what is in the box, what is going to be in next month's box. They always give you a little sneak preview. So September's box is going to be a pure relaxation box and it's going to have a facial cleansing brush worth £16 in it. So it's something that can cleanse your face and take your makeup off and massage your skin and all of that. So that is exciting because that is obviously a high value product in next month's box. You're already getting something just in one product in September's box that's worth more than you're actually paying. So that is a win-win. Right, in this box, so the first thing that I've just spotted in here is this Ocean Spray Sparkling Pink Cranberry drink. Pink, red and white cranberries. It's like a sparkling water. There's like a voucher thing inside as well, so you could win a £50 Amazon voucher if you scan the QR code and do like a little consumer survey. So that might be worth having a look at. I'm going to open this now actually because I'm really thirsty. The sun has just come out. It's been raining non-stop and now the sun is shining, but this seems like something that I would like. Yeah, so it's like flavoured sparkling water, so if it's not overly sweet either, that'll be nice over some ice actually. That is really nice and refreshing, so I'm happy with that. That was just like a little extra I think that they've put in. We have got, I'm going to start with this. Now I love Elemis. All of these are just really great high-end products. So this is a Dulux Mini and it's 15ml, but it is worth £30 for this. The full size one for 50ml is £87. So £30 just for this one item in here. So this is the Pro Collagen Marine Cream. So it's an anti-aging, highly moisturizing light gel cream. So this is a really good moisturizer. This is going to hydrate your skin so much. It's an anti-wrinkle day cream. I always need to put moisturizer on, like morning and night. My skin, as soon as water touches it, it's just dry. So this is going to be so good for me, and it's an award-winning product as well. So yeah, that is a really good one that I'm dead impressed with. It says top tip as well to warm it up the cream in your hands first before applying it to your skin. Next product, we have this NCLA. It is a cuticle oil. So it's a birthday cake cuticle oil as well. It's a limited edition one. It's a full-size product and it retails for £13.80. It's got safflower seed oil and vitamin E that's really going to nourish your cuticles. So it recommends that you use this twice a day, and it is birthday cake scented as well. So I've got to have a smell of that. It's one that they have launched. It's a product they've launched for their 10-year anniversary. Oh, it smells lovely. I am trying to grow my nails currently because I have the worst nail biting habit, and yeah, I'm trying to grow them, so this is going to come in handy because I'm trying to look after my nails a little bit better. So that is the NCLA cuticle oil. That is, like I say, recommended retail price is £13.80 for that. Next up, this is a company that has been in a Glossybox before, the Steve Lauren range. This is an eyeshadow palette and the colours from the picture in the little booklet look like they are right up my street. I really like this company as well. I think their products are are so nice. Okay, these are definitely colours that are usable for everybody, give you a really nice smoky eye or like a natural look. I love those. You've got matte ones and shimmery ones in there. It retails for £23 as well. This box is a really good one this month. They are gorgeous colours, really pretty. Like, I don't really go for bright eye colours very often, so a smoky dark eye is definitely something that is right up my street. I'm going to really enjoy trying them out, so that is a really good one as well. That's probably my favourite one so far. The next product is this Lottie London Ombre blush. How gorgeous is that? I absolutely love blusher now. I never used to wear it, and now I really like just to put a little bit on. That is really pigmented as pigmented? Yeah, that is really pigmented as well. I might just put a little bit on. I do love a little bit of blusher just to give you a little bit of a sun-kissed look. And again, this Lottie London is another brand that I hadn't used before until it was in a Glossybox, and it is another really good one. That is another full-sized item, and it retails for £5.95. Next, we have this cute little face mask. This is by Frank Body. Not heard of those before. It is an anti-drama face mask. Necessary. So it is a no-nonsense face mask, cooling and calming. A blend of charcoal and smoothing evening primrose oil works to unclog pores, while soothing chamomile, honey and lavender work in harmony to help you unwind. This mask also works wonders on unwanted blemishes and irritation too. So that is a Dulux Mini. It's a 35ml and it is worth £4.95 for this size. The full size is an 80ml one, and it is normally £15.95. So this recommends you use this twice a week after cleansing, but before moisturising for best results. So I'm going to be doing that tonight because I'm pretty much all out of face masks at the minute, so this has come at the right time. I do love a face mask, so that's another little good product. Other than that, they have put like a couple of extras in. I've got a Rescue Heel Balm, which is really good because obviously this weather at the minute, you're wearing your sandals and things a lot, or I am, and yeah, my feet do tend to get much more dry in the summer, so that is great that this has just got this little Flexitol heel balm in there. And that is everything in this month's Glossybox, which I am so excited to use some of these things. And obviously because it's their birthday month, that this one is a really good one. I'll leave all the details down below if you want to check out Glossybox and use my discount code as well to get yourself some money off. I hope you have the most fabulous Friday, and I will see you again for my next video. Bye everyone.